All right.
Here at the gas station in Centerport.
Yep.
On the Vending place right there.
Yep. So 25A. Yep.
Yep. And this is we're going on Aquafina Vending Max.
Okay.
Okay, so how much it is? It's $2.50. Pepsi is only $2.50. That's $2.50. Briscoe's tea is $2.50. Diet Pepsi is only $2.50. And ginger ale is $2.50. And Mountain Dew is only $2.50. And Orange Crush is only $2.50. Briscoe's tea is only $2.50. And Seltzer is $2.50. And water is $2.
Whoa, there you go.
And Gatorade's only $2.50. And Gatorade Fruit Punch is only $2.50.
Alright, so what you get?
Alright, now this is Pepsi. We can have tacos. We can say half water Pepsi. It's good. Mixing half water is always good. This is Pepsi. This is not a half water. Always mixing water. We exercise. This is Briscoe's tea. It's got hyphages towards it, but don't get that. It's got Briscoe's tea. That way we don't shake it up with the kids. We don't do that.
Nope.
Only the bottles, we shaking it up. This is shaking it up. This is Pepsi, ginger ale, Mountain Dew. This is Orange Crush. Well, we shaking it up only.
Oh, it's got gas in it. It's carbonated.
Yep.
Okay.
And Gatorade, that's not good for you. That's bad. That's also bad. It's also Gatorade. It's got hyphages towards syrup.
It's not good for you, right? Makes you dopey.
Yeah.
Okay, what you doing?
Alright, so this one,
Face down. No, what's the sign say?
face up.
You got it, dude.
That's it, good old look. Let's fix it nice and flat.
Okay, that's one.
Two more. That's that one too.
Yeah, same rules apply, dude, right?
That's face down.
Yep.
That's like that's the picture. We need one more. Fix this, fix all flats. Alright.
What you going for?
We're gonna add another Pepsi.
Alright. Stuck in there? Alright, now what, dude?
We'll shake it up. It shows like a spill.
So
Drop it.
So if you drop it, this is what you gotta do. Open it slow.
Yep. Let's see this out.
Alright. Live on the edge. Alright. Good? Didn't blow up?
Yeah. Okay.
We're all good? You all done?
Yeah.
We're out of here?
Yep. All good.
Alright.